Well, hi Paul. I wanted to quickly talk a few bits. Sorry about my dirty floor. Um, I I wanted. This is a page where I superimposed 9 pages front and back of the book to create this. It's basically where the caterpillar is apparently bitten through the book. I wanted to kind of explain this a bit more. We both agree that Roald Dahl has a kind of dark quality with him, but there's nothing really dark in James and the Giant Peach. So I wanted to create a little bit of distraction with the cover. So I created this. So there's going to be 3 bite marks. Sorry, 3 bite marks in the front cover, and one. This is going to be a lot smaller. One smaller bite mark in the back cover. Now, see, it's not a single bite; it's munch. All these individual bites munched in by the caterpillar, because the way the caterpillar eats, the caterpillar will turn. This will be the actual size. I can't seem to focus in on. Oh well, we'll come back to that. And again, what it looked like on its own. Just give me a second. Right, I've done a font study. Here are 15 fonts. 14 fonts. Some with nice wavy writing, serif writing. Some with sans serif here, which is Gotami, and Giddy up there. It's just so I can see what different writings would be. It kind of worked out. Now, these are the drawings which you've already seen on video log 1. Now I've digitized them. Now the problem with the digitizing is that they've turned out lighter. This is a very big issue for me. A lot of the strokes haven't come out. A lot of the greys haven't come out. A lot of the wavy patterns haven't come out. Okay, even the sharks there haven't come out very well. But I've superimposed the different labels on them. So work in progress there. And this was idea number 1. Oh, sorry, idea number 9, and idea number 10, I believe. Just double check that. Yeah, idea number 9, number 10. If I just put these in contrast here, you can probably just see that's the actual drawing made, and that's there. You might just be able to see it a little bit lighter. So this is actually an issue which I'm going to have to figure out how to solve. Now, started looking at the labeling in the background, and these have got a few notes on. The colour, not too bad. I put a little bit of shadow on there, just so it doesn't look flat, and then I added an actual shadow. So the thing is, so the shadow here is just so it doesn't look totally boring, and then the shadow to raise it off the page has to soften the shadow a bit. And then I applied the same thing with the side one, the spine cover, and then softened the shadow again and extended it right down to the bottom, because this one didn't extend right down to the bottom, and the logo will go here. So, and then started on the writing. This is actually my daughter's writing here, as from the stuff I got the kids to do for me. If I just show you it here, I actually hand drew it into. Now, here's the sketch you probably see from video log number 3, I think it is. This is my daughter's writing. I didn't scan it in, I had to hand draw it in, and you can see it's all scratchy. Well, it is quite scratchy, even though it's not coming out on this camera. So I had to go in there and basically soften it all up, straighten the lines, and then I added it to it. As you can see here, this is almost a finished product. And you've got labels here, all the labels in the right place, which kind of works. Maybe I've got them in the wrong place. I'll have to look at this. I think I've got these labels in the right place. I have to double check that. But anyway, you see there the labels, the spines are working quite well. This is working quite well. Quentin Blake, larger text for Quentin Blake, larger text for Roald Dahl and the world's #1 storyteller, and my daughter's writing here. It does work quite well. Okay, so this is idea number 10 with the spine. This is idea number 9 with the spine. It seems to work a bit better. The same exact spine here, same exact, everything exactly the same, but the picture's different, and it does seem to work quite well. Now, the best way to find out whether a book works well is to actually create them. So I've actually superposed here the bite marks. Everything's there as far as I understand. Okay, so just bear with me. The best way to see it is in 3D format. So you've got the front cover there. Of course, the picture is lighter than it should be. It needs to be darker. Spine looks reasonably okay. I might need to change the color on that. And the back is reasonably okay. And of course, the same will be for idea number 10. Again, the bite marks go in. The picture needs to be a little bit darker or more colourful, more saturated. And the spine, again, it's not too bad. And that isn't too bad. I just got to find out about that logo. That logo might be in the wrong place. I might have used the wrong frame, template. But I just got to double check on that. But you can see that these are almost 2 finished products here. And anyway, I'll get back to you on that. Okay, take care.